Welcome back everyone. In Breaking Bad Season 4, Episode 4 occurs with Skyler's increasingly involvement in Walt's criminal world. Instead of being kept in the dark, she starts helping to create a believable story to explain Walt's sudden wealth. Meanwhile, Walt feels trapped. Gus Fring is still in control, and Walt knows that one wrong move could give him everything. The pressure has begun to affect his decision. One of the episode's greatest moments occurs when Skyler brilliantly convinces the family that Walt's gambling addiction is responsible for their financial success. During a family gathering, she offers an elaborate explanation that surprises everyone, including Mari and Hank. Hank, who is still recovering from his injuries, becomes obsessed with investigating the murder of Gail Boetticher. As he studies the evidence and examines the details of the case, he begins to piece together clues that may eventually lead him closer to the truth. This investigation creates a major problem for Walt. Every new discovery Hank makes increases the risk of revealing Walt's secret. Elsewhere, Jesse continues to work in the super lab, even though he is trying to stay focused. The relationship between him and Walt is still strained. Both men are operating under Gus' constant fear. As the episode progresses, Walt becomes increasingly mad. He believes Gus is plotting something against him and begins to consider desperate options in order to survive. One particularly important scene highlights Walt's growing ego. Despite the danger that surrounds him, he can't restrain himself from threats that could expose him. Hank's investigation quickly progresses when he discovers unusual details regarding Gail's notebook. Evidence suggests that Gail may not have been the mastermind everyone initially believed her to be. This realization causes Hank to dig even deeper. Back home, Skyler proves she is one of the most intelligent characters in the series. Her gambling story successfully dispels suspicion from Walt, at least for now. However, it also shows how deeply involved she has become in Walt's criminal life. The episode creates a constant tension towards its conclusion. Walt realizes that it may be impossible to survive Gus' reign for the long term. Instead of accepting his position, he starts thinking about ways to fight back. Hank getting closer to uncovering the truth. Skyler is more invested in Walt's lies. Jesse is stuck between Walt and Gus. Walt is preparing for a confrontation that could change everything. Bullet Points may seem quieter than some of the Breaking Bad episodes, but it's full of important developments. Hank's investigation takes a huge step forward. Skyler proves his genius, and Walt's paranoia continues to grow. These events set the stage for some of Season 4's most intense moments. That's all for today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch the next episode and take care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.